This is the Aussie dollar on the 15 and we have a rising channel. We've had 4 touches and a retest. We can actually see it better on the 60, but first of all let's do the higher time frame analysis. Now my PC is running a little bit slow, so I'm hoping it's going to be okay to do this. We sandwiched between 2 structure levels. What we had first of all is we had a break to the downside, as you can see here, and then up here we actually had a break to the upside. So no real direction, just consolidation for me. We delete this off, and what we've done here on the 240 is a move lower, a pullback, then a move lower. And if I put a structure level on here at the closes of those candles, we have failed to reach those highs. And also there is a psychological number here, 7,000, and we tend to be attracted to those, but not a great deal in terms of confirmation. If we go to the 60, what we have is a swing in the market. We have a directional pole, and if we draw this pole out based on the closes of the candles, and then just need to move that a little higher, and then we duplicate it and move it down, then what we're left with is one. Let me do that again. I'm looking for 4 touches. 1, 2, there's 3, and here is the 4th touch. However, if you watch the educational material, we don't get involved until the 5th touch up here, and that 5th touch just so happens to come in at this structure level right here. So you can see there is room for the market to go higher, and in particular potentially spike up to that 7,000 psychological number, so a valid rising channel. Now if we drop one time frame lower and look for an entry reason, well, this is what we have right here. We had initially this test, and then we had the market that came down to this level, and it wasn't a double bottom, but we held structure. So we had a test, another candle, and then a long spike test. So we've actually held this level. So for me, this is a valid channel. That means that this is structure. So if I bring back on the orders, my stop has gone just 5 pips below the low here, and targets have gone up here for a retest of that structure high. It's actually a little higher, just to there. And with us being so close to the 7,000 psychological number, I do believe that we'll actually test that number, but I'm 6 pips in front of it. So if we just go back to the 60 so that we can see this clearly, we're looking at, I think it was 16 of risk for 16 of reward. So just a 1-to-1, but high probability trade. There we go, 17 for 17 pips. We're back for the update on this trade, and this channel played out very nicely for 17 pips. I was looking at shorting the market as we came up to this level, but that didn't happen. But nevertheless, we got those targets hit, and look at that. As per the prediction, we did come up to that 7,000 psychological number.